Before the first rivet, there is an idea. Lines on paper, measured in fractions, soon to become 40,000 tons of purpose.
Hold it right there. Steady, lads, steady. Mind the chains. All right, lift her slow.
We need that steel reinforced before the next pour.
Okay, easy now. Watch the clearance.
They will call her Enterprise, but first she must be built from the ore to the machine. Ore becomes metal, heat becomes structure. In the furnace, raw earth is rewritten into naval-grade steel.
Check the feeder, she's running low. All right, loading the next batch now.
Adding the manganese now. Watch the sparks.
Okay, recording the time and the temperature reading.
All right, move the template up. Firing the torch. Stand clear. slowly. Mind the alignment.
Almost there.
Gasket surface is clear. She's ready. All right, bring her down another foot. Steady.
Look at this reading on the micrometer.
It seems we still have a slight imbalance at this mark.
The contact pattern is clear. Acceptable tolerance. Log it down.
Reading steady on the meter.
Good, log it as 4.2 amps.
Clear the tracks.
Bring her down slow.
All right, lift it slow. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Clear on this side. Easy now. Bring her around to the marker. Watch that beam. Swing it wide.
All right, set it down easy on the count of 3. Check the plumb line. Steady now.
Mark it.
All right, Foreman, she's aligned. Secure the blocks. Bring that starboard line taut. Easy now, watch the frames. She's settling in. Easy now, hold the line.
All right, bring her down steady.
Watch the gap on the starboard side.
All right, bring her down easy.
Seal is good, Foreman. She's seated.
Check the pressure on that gauge.
Holding steady at 50, sir.
All right, mark it passed. We need 2 thousandths more on this corner. All right, tapping it down. Check the indicator now.
Hold it steady now. Easy on the starboard side. Watch the gap.
Easy on the starboard side.
All right, keep it coming down slow. Hold it steady. A little to the forward side. Side. All right, easy now. She's nearly seated.
Easy now, bring her down another 5 thousandths.
Reading steady, sir. Looks good to mount. How's that look?
4 thousandths. All right, bring that section up to the 3rd truss. Watch the cables on your left. Got it, secure the bracket. Bring her down easy now. Watch the alignment on this side. All right, she's set. Check the tension on that brass fitting.
Just finished securing the clamps on level 2.
Watch the clearance on the telegraph there.
We need more slack on this bundle.
Page 61, the diagram shows the routing here.
are those connections looking?
Solid. We should be ready for the power test by 1600.
A little higher on your side, Jonesy. We need clearance on the brace.
All right, coming up slowly.
Got the clamp set here? Looks good. Tighten her down.
All right, bring it up slow. Watch the clearance.
Looks good here. Hold it steady.
Solid. Lock her down.
The gauge is holding steady at 200.
Right. Log that in the main sheet.
Steve, watch the starboard side. All right, bring it up slowly.
Easy with the hoist. Bring her down slow.
Clear on the joint, Chief. Start the rivets.
How's the straightness, Charlie?
Dead on, Chief.
Send it home.
Make sure that bearing is completely full, then move to the upper sheave.
Hey, almost done here.
The tension gauge reads exactly 2200.
Noted. The guide rail is perfectly plumb. Check the tension on line 3. It must be exact.
Reading steady at 500, sir.
We're slightly off plumb on the starboard guide.
Pressure climbing fast.
Stand clear. She's about to blow.
Light her off.
Burners ignited. Steam pressure stabilizing at 250.
Vibration steady on all bearings. Oil pressure holding.
Steady now, holding true at 0.05.
Log that as calibrated February 19th, 1938.
Watch the line. Bring it down slow.
All right, secure that crate before the next lift.
Watch the tension on that bar. All right, she's seated. Lower away. Tight to the bollard. Roger that. Bring her about slowly.